What's up, mamas? Today I'm here with my good friend Steph, and we're gonna be sharing a healthy baby-led weaning recipe with you. But before we get going, I wanna let you guys know that I've created a completely free PDF for you that breaks down how your baby's oral motor skills are developing month by month. We'll go over, 6 months to 12 months and beyond, so you know how they learn to chew, and this information will help you facilitate successful meal times. So click the link down below for your free copy of the oral motor skills chart. All right, mama, so as I mentioned, I have my good friend here with me today. This is Stephanie. Hey, Steph.
Hey, everybody.
So Steph is a certified chef, and she's also months away from becoming a certified nutritional therapy practitioner. So over the next few weeks, we'll be sharing a few fun recipes for you to try at home. So Steph, what are we doing today?
I really wanted to focus on something that was easy and vegetable forward for you guys. Polenta fries, they're a great way to get vegetables into the diet, and I like this recipe because you can use it for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or snack. They're very easy. You pop it in the oven, they have a nice texture, and it's easy for your baby to grip. Once you have all your ingredients in front of you, you're going to chop your carrots and your zucchini very finely. So you want to do this so that your baby has an easier time
managing the textures.
Exactly. So I wanted to choose carrots and zucchini for this recipe because carrots have a great source of beta carotene in them, and it actually converts into vitamin A for your baby and their body. And the zucchini is a great source of vitamin B6 and K and potassium. After you've added your chicken stock to the pan, you don't have to use chicken stock. You may use water or milk, but I like to use chicken stock because it adds a little extra flavor and nutrition to your diet. So once you've added that in there, you're going to add your butter. I like to use grass-fed butter. It's a great option for a healthy fat. And you're going to slowly incorporate your polenta. And you want to do this slowly so that it doesn't clump on you. And once it's completely smooth, then you're able to take it off the heat and add your vegetables right in there. Once you've added all your vegetables, you're going to pop it into the refrigerator and let it set for about 30 minutes. Then you can take it out of the refrigerator, pop it in the oven, and then once it's done, you can take it right back out, cut it into fry shapes, and put it back in the oven for a final cooking.
Yeah, and again, this is a recipe that is supposed to work for everybody, so feel free just to cut a section of your pan into the stick shapes for the baby, and maybe you want to do squares for everybody else. All right, mamas, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I will catch you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Bye.